Hi, thanks for taking a couple minutes to check out my units converter application, uConvert. Let's start with a quick example that shows why I think you'll like this app. Let's say you have a recipe that calls for 400 milliliters of white wine, but all you have to measure with are these measuring spoons and cups. Let's see how uConvert can help. For this conversion, we select volume and then the small set of units. We're going to select milliliters and then enter 400. To convert, we're going to switch back to the medium size, select cups to see the converted value. If I want to see this value as a fraction, I just press the fraction button. It's that easy. Many of the unit converter apps for the iPhone try to provide you with every possible conversion that anyone would ever want. uConvert takes a different approach by providing the unit conversions that you would actually need to use and try to put those into a simple, easy-to-use interface. Okay, let's look at the interface in a little more detail. The bottom half is basically a calculator interface for entering values, and the top half has controls to allow you to select which units to convert. The top row is used to select the different types of units. uConvert supports length, weight, area, and volume. For each type of measurement, there are a number of different units arranged from smallest to largest. The second row of controls allows you to pick the range of unit sizes from small to large, and the third row allows you to select the units to convert to and from. Once you enter a number, you can convert it to any of the units just by pressing a different unit button. These can be on different sizes as well. Another handy feature of uConvert is the ability to switch between decimal and fractions with just one button press. Here is an example where I have a scale that reads out in grams. I have a recipe that calls for 3/4 of a pound of chicken. I set the unit to weight, select pounds, and then change the mode to fraction. I will enter 3, the slash, and then 4, and then switch to grams. I will switch back to decimal for the display in grams. If my recipe had called for 1 3/4 of a pound, I would have entered 1, followed by a space, the 3, a slash, and then 4. There is also a control for the precision of a result. Let's look at an example where that might be useful. Here I have a tape measure and a set of drill bits. The tape measure has increments of 1/8 or 1/16 of an inch, and the drill bits have sizes down to 1/64 of an inch. If I want to measure 410 centimeters with the tape measure, I set the units to length, enter 410 centimeters, and convert to inches. I will switch to fraction and then adjust the precision until I get 1/16 of an inch. If I need to figure out which drill bit to use when the instructions call for a 9mm bit, I will enter 9mm, convert to inches, and then increase the precision all the way to 1/64 of an inch. Okay, that's about it. You can access some instructions or watch this video again by pressing the information button. I hope you will find uConvert to be a handy and useful tool. Make sure you visit the App Store to see more from MikeMilhame.com.